Hey guys, in this PSA, I'm going to be talking about visual cliffs and depth perception. I'm going to be talking about what it is, how it works, and the results from the experiments.
Can you imagine yourself standing over this cliff? Your ability to judge the distance between the bottom of the cliff to where you are is called your depth perception. In order to study this ability, psychologists Eleanor Gibson and Richard Walk wanted to know if depth perception is innate or a learned skill. To study this ability, an experiment called the visual cliff was performed. The purpose of this experiment was to determine whether or not the infant would cross an illusion of a drop-off with or without hesitation. Gibson and Walk had a theory that depth perception is part of the biological makeup of a human, which means it is not learned through experiences. The experiment included infants between the ages 6 months and 14 months with their mothers, as well as other baby animals. Most infants called towards the shallow side had no hesitation in crossing over. However, when infants were called towards the deep side, most either remained where they were or cried in frustration. When baby animals were tested, they found not one baby chick crossed over to the deep side. But nocturnal animals like rats did not hesitate since they do not rely on vision to survive.
Factors like age, natural instinct, behavior, and environment can also affect the development of depth perception, but it is not the same in every species. The conclusion drawn from the experiment is that the capability is innate because experiences can cause fatal accidents. Based on what you have learned, what do you conclude?